2011 Honda Pilot EXL 8-passenger SUV. Dark charcoal gray metallic. Aluminum alloy wheels with Michelin tires. Tinted windows. Roof rack crossbar. Rear bumper protector. Tow hitch trailer package. 4-wheel drive. Tailgate glass opens. All-weather cargo mat, and the seats are folded down. Nice black leather interior. Rear climate controls with power outlet. WeatherTech liners, front 2 rows. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Heated front row seats. Triple automatic climate controls. 6-disc index changer with premium sound system. Dolby. Pro Logic 2. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Navigation. Backup camera. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls. Auto headlights, fog lights. Just under 194,000 miles. And see if we got a sunroof. Y'all come out and see us at Cupholders.